Okay, welcome back to Car Hunter Kyle back, and I thought about this a couple of days ago, and I thought of this, tell you guys that what cars or what cars I would like to see in the upcoming 2020 lineup. So this is one of the cars I like to see in the 2020 lineup. One second. Let's see.
Well, texting is regular.
Not fog. Fog. Ford F1. That's one of the cars I like seeing that, or actually, it's a truck. And it's actually coming in a diecast, Brian. Sorry for the coughing. But, yeah, it's the same color. You can't already tell, but with this car, this is the 2018 F-150. I want to see the 2018 all the way to 2020, maybe 2021 Ford F-150. So, in this color, for the first three colors for 3 years, I want to see this. Cause I liked, or actually, where my years, maybe 5 years or so, yes. Maybe 8 years like that. So, yes. And this is like the first photo, and the headlights look so cool. Hopefully, if Mattel makes it, hopefully, it's none of their goofy detail or nothing. It's like normal headlights, like realistic. It'll look so cool looking. And this is it's, yeah, this is the same color. This is the back of it. So, yes. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna show all the years of the truck I'm talking about. Also, if you go on YouTube, um, check out the video of the 2021 F-150. It's out and it's true so far I know of. So, yes. And this is this year's Ford F-150, and it's kind of odd that I think of all the colors can be red, but we hardly have any red trucks, so I thought it would be a good idea for all the trucks to be in each color. See, I like the new F-150s actually. Not, but I don't know if I prefer older F-150, 2015 and before 2018. So yes. And this is another. This is the upcoming 2020 F-150 as well. Where's red at? Oh, here. It might be a little bit darker red, light darker, a little bit light red. But look. Post down in the comments what you think about these trucks before I show you. Because it looks so cool actually. It looks so nice. I like the fog lights. And I'm gonna show you another truck that I want to see. Like both trucks I want to show. I'm gonna show you. Actually, I want to see. This is another truck. I want to see the 2018 Ford Raptor all the way to 2021 Ford Raptor even. But this 2020, it's kind of cheating, but I can't help it because it's the photo. I might as well show you guys there. Since I'm right here right now. This is the 2020 Ford Raptor. So. Or post down in the comments. Tell me what year this is. I'm not sure. And this is the 2021 F-150. Yeah, there's some thing guy or woman, one people posted on YouTube that 2021 F-150, and they did like a little jump, like we call it. So yes, post down in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about. And last of this, I guess it's hard to tell by this photo. So yes. Oh, right here. But I don't want the black. Actually, hey, that looks good. But I don't want all that black. I want just red, all red, and black wheels as well on the F150. I'll show you. I kind of earlier show it, but it's cool how they show early access. So on YouTube. Oh, another F-150 the year after that. But I want it in red. So I might as well show the 2023 F-150. It's kind of early showing these trucks. But hey, I'm not complaining about it because it's cool. I want to see early stuff. What about you guys? And I'm not sure this. This is another the Raptor. But I want to see it in red, like the red I showed you guys, the light red like this. So yes. Another car I want to say in the house. This is actually in my box as well.
No. Yep, he's gonna go to juvie. Yep, he's gonna go to juvie, and as soon as he turns 18, they're gonna put him in jail.
Yeah, so that's my mom, but I don't care. I'm not gonna knock off of my views. I want just me. Anybody can come in here right now. Probably hear still my live stream, so you'll see all the stuff that I'm gonna be talking about. I want to see in this color. I want to see the new Dodge Ram limited crew cab. That would be a cool truck to see. But usually when Mattel uses the trucks, they don't use polymer metal, so they'll probably be like normal, like this. I like seeing. I like seeing this color. It's real nice. Even Greenlight didn't make it. If you guys know about Greenlight, their details are nice. I'm thinking to go. Hopefully here soon. I'm thinking about ordering a Greenlight or something. Anything I like, cause I like having nice cars in my collection even. So yes. And another truck I like to see is this. I like to see this as well. Um, I like to see it in. So this is the color. This is what my page looks like. If you go on my channel, you'll see. Okay, the closest I could get to 2020 Silverado is this color. But hey, it looks cool. But look more like Stupid Treasure Hunt, like paint. But it might end up coming around Treasure Hunt as well as first color if they ever make it. That's I want. I like the detail of it. even in yeah, if I see any colors, but I'll be in a separate video. So yes, yeah, all the colors. Uh, and the 2020 Ford Ranger. Anybody picked up the Hot Wheels Ford Ranger? The one that came out in the kit case? Post down in the comments as well. And the Ford Ranger or the Ford Ranger Raptor? I want both. If you go on YouTube, you'll see they came out with the new Ford Ranger. Just type in 2020 Ford Ranger and it's real nice. So yes. That's what I want. And well, that's oh, there's another truck I like to see. And I'm not sure if I almost made it or not, but some reason in the black color it looks real nice actually. I like seeing this color. And another truck I like to see in house lineup is the 2020 Toyota. And I would like to see it in what's a nice color I like to see? Something real nice. Or at least okay. I said okay. I guess this color. This color or black, like light black. Not flat. I don't care about for like flat colors. It's not my type of color. So yes. That's what I think about it. And another truck I like to see is the Toyota or Tundra. And I like to see it in this color. Right here, see? So yes. And I'll be making a next part of this right here, but it's interfering with like regular cars, and then being part 3 is gonna be about like old classic cars I would like to see in a house lineup. So yes, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video here soon, maybe tomorrow. So bye.